Chapter 22, Section 4. Urban Challenges in the Developed World. Some of the worst environmental problems of developed countries is sustainability of cities reduced in recent years. Well, what happened to cause this decrease? Improved sanitation and medical care has eliminated most communicable diseases, and air and the water quality has improved as steel and chemical manufacturing has been outsourced to developing countries. In consumer and informational economies, the automobile has made it possible for the worker to live outside the city and enjoy recreation once only the upper class. This has caused once populous manufacturing cities to lose population to new metropolitan cities, the center for high technology cities. This new high technology society we today live in has caused sustainability to decrease as everyone is trying to get the biggest, newest, and best things. Urban sprawl consumes land and resources. Suburbs and rural areas have brought many benefits to the average citizen, but have spread once compacted cities into wide areas, consuming space and wasting resources. The more spread out cities become, the less sustainable a city becomes, as its worker must travel a great distance to get to work. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Areas predicts sprawls consume 500,000 acres of farmland each year. People benefiting from this crazy quilt development claim that the growth will lower average tax rates for everyone. Yet sprawls cost cities millions of dollars in resources, and lower tax rates will only lead the city to have fewer funds to cover these extra expenses. It is shown that people that move from urban areas to suburban areas to escape congestion, crime, and pollution they find just bring it along with them. A neighborhood that seemed tranquil and remote soon becomes crowded and noisy. Expanding suburbs force along commutes. The U.S. interstate highway system is the largest construction project in history, thought to be one of the main reasons encouraging sprawl. Because Americans live far from where they work and shop, it is necessary that every individual have their own private car. The average American spends 443 hours behind the wheel every year. Although cars are more efficient now, people due to sprawl are traveling longer distances to sit in more traffic, burning more fuel, producing more pollution than ever. It is estimated that $78 billion are wasted in fuel to traffic jams. If this $78 billion of wasted money isn't enough, sprawl is even causing social problems throughout America. Sprawl is also unhealthy, as the more Americans drive, the less they exercise they get, only adding to the obesity problem in America. With sprawl, all of America is uniform. You can drive out of any major city in America and see the same fast food restaurants, clothing lines, stores, and hotels. It leaves little for the country to differentiate itself. Mass transit could make our cities more livable. Mass transit is what can make our cities more sustainable. In Curitiba, there are bus trains which have dedicated routes throughout the city that hold 270 passengers. With everyone in walking distance of these buses, it provides everyone a form of transportation. With this system, they transport 3/4 of the people working throughout the city every day, about 1.9 million passengers. It has allowed the city to remain sustainable and compact, avoiding sprawl. A system like this one could be the answer needed to reduce traffic and pollution in highly congested American cities. That's the end of Chapter 22, Section 4 review. Yippee!